Today, we're driving a 1985 Corolla SR5 coupe converted to a Levin with the Technoprospirit bumper. But the thing to keep in mind here is that this has been swapped with a 1991 LS400 1UZ V8 engine and a W58 Supra transmission. It's pushing out 230 wheel horsepower and 220 pound-feet of torque. The car only weighs 2,100 pounds.
Beautiful. Yeah, that's nice and heavy.
Listen to that sound coming from A86. How wild is that? Big thanks to Mikey, the generous owner of the passenger seat, for letting me drive and review this car, and for Benton's son from the Zygo YouTube channel for making this review possible.
No ABS?
No.
Alright, let's do a nice warm-up lap, and then second lap I'll push it a little bit.
I'm laughing because of how ridiculous and raw this vehicle is right from the first turn.
Oh, I can't even heel toe.
The seat is really far forward, and because the cage builder didn't quite do the cage in a way that allows for seat adjustment, it's stuck very far forward. So taller drivers, I'm 6'1", can't really get positioned properly, so heel toe, as you're going to see, is impossible for me. It's a very raw, visceral experience. The brakes feel very sketchy. There's also no ABS, and I'm not getting as much feedback as I want. They feel very spongy in the initial travel. So you'll see I'm very conservative braking this car for the few laps we do here. With the power-assisted steering off, getting a lot of feedback through the wheel, which is great. There's a little bit of slop. It is an older vehicle, but great feedback through the wheel. Going nice and easy on this warm-up lap. I did also find it a little bit, there was a bit of a learning curve with the actual gear shift. So you're gonna see me be a little bit slow shifting it at times. These S's, Mikey told me I have to tap the brakes because of pad knockback. There's no spring to return the pads on these race calipers.
Tap the brakes? Yeah. Oh my god. I'm trying my best to heel toe. The struggle is real.
If you don't tap the brakes after they lose contact like that, then when you go to step on the brakes, it requires a lot of travel. They're very spongy, and it's a very butt-puckering moment. It can be dangerous, so you want to get those brakes reset. That's what that was about. These cars are very predictable, and when they lose traction, easy to control.
It has the torque to drive through third.
What's that?
It has the torque to drive through third.
Okay, noted. Thank you.
Now, I misunderstood him. I thought that it was only in that turn he stays in third, but it's the whole lap. So as you'll see, I'll keep trying to shift down in the second because I misunderstood him. This car had the greatest learning curve of any vehicle I drove that day. And it's actually controllable when you get it to the limit, but it's more just that the inputs require a bit of getting used to because it's very different from where you normally drive. A little bit of correction there at bus stop. And, you know, from the shifter to the pedal placement, or rather me being very close to the pedals, and even the brakes being very not confidence inspiring, a bit of a learning curve. So you're going to see me ease into the car. A lot of fun. A lot of fun.
Power cut.
Alright, yeah, so it's taking out here. Off. Back on.
The stock ECU, it freaks out with long duration wide open throttle and goes into limp mode where it doesn't let you rev above 1200 RPM. So you have to turn off the engine while you're driving on track and turn it back on. And he's gonna go with a standalone ECU, but he hasn't done that yet. Not the safest thing while you're driving on track, but hey, it's amusing. It adds to the character, I guess. you have to brake first, then separately rev match. Definitely ruins the flow of driving, but again, that's just a little quirk of the car based on the roll cage. If you have shorter legs, you'll be able to rev match just fine. That torque down low, able to get the rear end with traction, even at a lower RPM. We're in beginner group and we're told to keep extra distance, not to spook any of the beginner drivers as we approach this Hyundai. Cuts again.
I hate that. Alright, go ahead.
I really enjoyed this vehicle because there's so much character. It's so raw. The V8 engine, the lightweight yet predictable FR chassis. It just, this car was such a riot. The most memorable car for me by far.
This thing's fucking mad. I love it. It's really, really hard for me to shift.
Yeah.
So I kind of gave up on trying to heel toe it, and I'm just kind of like trying to brake and then trying to do a separate rev match. Going into third is hard for me. I need to get used to that still. Plenty of power for the weight.
Right, I just do 3-4. I never go second. I
okay.
Just let the torque take it.
Because the torque is high enough in third that you can just.
Yeah, the power grid. Like you don't get sideways in third. It's like I've got enough power.
I actually really like steering like this when it's extra heavy.
Yeah.
You know, because you really accentuate the feedback, the loading. When it's over boosted, the actual amplitude is too nuanced. Over here you can feel it a lot. Obviously there's a lot of play in the wheel because it's an older car and such.
Right.
But yeah, this feel, I mean, the inputs are great. The brakes, they don't inspire confidence. I was so ginger for most of it. Only a couple corners that I really push it. No ABS is one thing that makes my butt pucker a little bit. And then also, like, it takes a lot of travel for it to actually start biting.
Yeah. It's got a lot of brake force under there. It's just, you gotta get them in.
Yeah. This car is so raw and so like race car compared to most other cars that we drive on track.
Yeah.
It's exciting. It does take a little bit to get used to though.
Right. This car is well known
Yeah, when you lose traction, it's easy to catch it. It's very forgiving.
Right. It's very predictable. It does what you think it's going to do.
Exactly, predictable, for sure.
So if you want the assist back, you just flip that little toggle switch over. I'm gonna make a better switch for it, and it'll take a second to wake up, and then it's light and easy steering for the
Oh yeah,
parking
that's
lot.
way lighter now. Oh, whoa, that's like,
It's almost too easy.
yeah, it's a completely different character change.
Oh yeah. So the column is out of a Yaris, and it has the ECU from the Yaris, but because I don't have a CAN bus speed input to the ECU, it's in default mode, which is 100% assist.
I see.
So it's super.
That's why it's super
light.
boosty, yeah.
Dude, that little Mitsubishi thing is hilarious.
That's wild, man. Look how small those wheels are.
I know. They're like little 13. That's great.
All right, let's see if Fenton is back over there. Mikey, thanks so much.
Absolutely, man.